Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss about zeros of a polynomial. Consider the polynomial px is equal to 5x to the power cube minus 2x to the power square plus 3x minus 2. If we replace x by 1 everywhere in px, we get p to the power 1 is p5 into 1 to the power cube minus 2 into 1 to the power square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2, that is 4. We so say that the value of px at x equal to 1 is 4. Similarly, p to the power 0, that is we are getting p 0 to the power cube minus 2 0 to the power square plus 3 is 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Can you find p to the power minus 1? Example 2. Find the values of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value of variables. Px is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Here you see px is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. If we find the value of p to the 1, p 5 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7, that is we are getting 9. Qy equal to 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11. The value of the polynomial at qy at y is equal to 2 is given by 3 to the cube minus 4 into 2 plus root 11, that is 24 minus 8 plus root 11, that is 16 plus root 11. P to the power t 4 t to the power 4 plus 5 t cube minus t square plus 6. The value of the polynomial pt at t at equal to a is given by phi 4 a to the power 4 plus 5 a to the power cube minus a square plus 6. Now consider the polynomial px equal to x minus 1. What is p1? We note that p1 is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. As p1 equal to 0, we say that 1 is the 0 of the polynomial px. Similarly, you can check that 2 is a 0 of qx, where qx equal to x minus 2. In general, we say that a 0 of the polynomial px is a number c such that pc is equal to 0. You must have observed that the 0 of the polynomial x minus 1 is obtained by equating it to 0, that is x minus 1 equal to 0, which gives x equal to 1. We say px equal to 0 is a polynomial equation and 1 is the root of the polynomial equation px equal to 0. So we say 1 is the 0 of the polynomial x minus 1 or root of the polynomial equation x minus 1 equal to 0. Now consider the constant polynomial 5. Can you tell what is its 0 is? It has no 0 because replacing x by any number in x to the power 5 x to the power 0 still gives us 5. In fact, a non-zero constant polynomial has no 0. What about the zeros of the 0 polynomial? By convention, every real number is a 0 of the 0 polynomial. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. Let px equal to x plus 2. We find p2, 2 plus 2, that is 4, p to the minus 2 plus 2, 0. Therefore, minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial x plus 2, but 2 is not. Find a 0 of the polynomial px, 2x plus 1. Finding a 0 of px is the same as solving the equation px equal to 0. Or you can find 2x plus 1 equal to 0 gives us x equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 1. If px is equal to x plus b is not equal to 0, is a linear polynomial, how can we find a 0 of px? Example 4 may have given you some idea. Finding a 0 of the polynomial px amounts to solving the polynomial equation px equal to 0. That means px equal to 0, x plus b equal to 0, or x equal to minus b, or x equal to minus b by a. So x equal to minus b by a is the only 0 of px. That is, a linear polynomial has one and only one 0. Now we can say that 1 is the 0 of x minus 1 and minus 2 is the 0 of x plus 2. Verify whether 2 and 0 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Px is equal to x square minus 2x. P2 is equal to 2 square minus 2, that is 0. And P0 is equal to 0 also. Hence, 2 and 0 are both zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Now, let us now list our observation. A 0 of a polynomial need not be 0. 0 may be a 0 of the polynomial. Every linear polynomial has one and only one 0. A polynomial can have more than one 0. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.